Hello to everyone, hope you are good and safe. Huawei recently released an updated version of the tips for HarmonyOS 4.0 and I want to show you and show to myself, because I didn't open it so far, what's new. So this is the application available of any Huawei smartphone, and we're gonna go here where is wrote what's new, just browsing together the 7 new card. I'm with the latest version of HarmonyOS4. Okay, almost of those we I guess already are aware of, and instead this is the new camera mode. Also, this is nothing new. HarmonyOS4 highlights. Let's see together. Left to get started. Okay, there are 3 highlights, and other interesting stuff. We're gonna see this one, but I guess it's only available for the Chinese language so far. Chinese and English, good, we see in the picture. And the other interesting fresh new camera layout. This is not the news. Turbocharging also. So I guess we can stop, and if you have any question, please drop your message in the comment below. Thanks for watching.